Works today has become a universal marketplace where creators can request and share their jobs and services. These requests can be sorted by curated feeds and displayed directly to allow service providers to send proposals back to the original requester. Proposals and/or requests can be enhanced by a mesh network of project management tools that I have created called widgets, which were built to provide structure to help express different types of creators' creations. A creation is an idea that can be used to help display information about what a creator wishes to share, and actions that take place relative to the creations are tied and ledgered directly to a verified user in order to maintain continuity and allow your ideas to stay yours. To enhance users' creations, we have to be able to connect everything to everything. For example, connect a recipe to an event and set up a relationship type reference so your event can reference your recipe. Sharing is a type of connection. Publishing is a type of connection. You can create different types of connection between your creations in order to enhance your proposals or requests, which is important as if you want to handle any type of request, you need to have a wide array of created tools to fill the problem. These creations are built by widgets. They don't have to be, but currently they are, and they're meant to help people work through problems. Some widgets have a direct workflow, which is a predetermined set of steps in order to validate an action has actually taken place. For example, recipes have cook mode that you have to work through before you can leave a review. This way, you can't leave a review if you don't actually go through the steps of cooking it, and you can kind of prove that someone has cooked your recipe. Now, it isn't perfect, but this idea can be expanded to other creations where it's important to validate someone has actively done the work. So a recipe, calendar, or research, maybe a book or music, anything that you can think of to give a digital structure to, we can add to our mesh array of tools, aka widgets, to share different types of creation. Given that you're a verified user, you can log in and post a request to our feed. A request could be anything from paint my wall to fix my furnace, build me a desk. These requests are then displayed to a small community of service providers who then propose solutions. Once you get a proposed solution, you can see it in the dashboard of the initial request, where you can choose to accept or deny another user's proposal. If you choose to accept, it opens a co-created project between the client and the service provider. At this stage, the project is not active. For it to be active, both the client and the worker must respectively move their proposal and the initial request into the project, which then sets it as active. Once the project is active, you can add before and after photos of the work that you did, and the service provider can send a completion request back over to the initial client. Then once this completion request has been accepted, the project opens reviews, so both parties can enter reviews about each other. After reviews are set, the project gets archived to each of the user's action chains. Archived projects can then be featured in your portfolio, so when someone looks at your user, they can see your reviews and your past projects.